What if I tell you there's a fastest way to get your 4,000 watch hour fast using live stream? Stay with me. Alright, by the end of this video, you will know the simple trick. Everybody has been doing it, but they are hiding this update. Alright, on live stream, without creating anything, without downloading anything, without doing any tutorial, whatever, without doing nothing, you're just gonna go on live stream, spend some hours, and you're getting your watch hours. Bam, bam, bang. That in 1 month you've gotten your 4,000 watch hours, and you can apply for monetization. Funny enough, this is provided free of charge with YouTube from YouTube app. You will do it from YouTube app, and I will be showing you step by step what it is all about and how people has been secretly using it, all right, to monetize, to get their 4,000 watch hours and even get more subscribers. You want to stay with me? Let's dive right into it. So we dive right into the tutorial, all right, immediately. So you can see in the YouTube app right now, you come over here, you click the plus sign, all right, that will take you to where you can go live or shorts or your videos or posts. So you want to click on, all right, yes, you want to click on the live button, all right. For those of you that don't have the live button, all right, stay to the end of the video. I'll teach you how you can get the, yeah, how you can get the live button, all right. So now we've clicked on live button, so it takes you and you see the different controls you can use. All right, you can click to hide your video, you can click to hide your audio in case you're shy, you don't want to show your face. All right, you can click to hide all that, and you can stream vertically or horizontally, all right, depending on which format you most prefer. Then you want to go on that pencil, which is the edit button, very important. I will show you why. All right, in there you can select your thumbnail. Yes, so you can actually design a thumbnail for this game in your live stream, which is also very cool. And you can see, you can take a thumbnail, you can upload the thumbnail, all right, and you can just leave it at your picture or your face, showing as your thumbnail. All right. So one of the most important one I want to show you why I had to go to this edit button is the visibility. All right. So when you start, it's going to be listed automatically or by default as unlisted. All right. But for this trick to work, for this format to work, this scope to work, you want to put it at public. Yes. All right. So you want to put it at public. All right. Okay. So you click on the public, and you go back to, yes, and you go back to so you go back to, all right, so you click on the public and then you go back. All right, so check if every other default settings. For instance, you see the audience requirement. Is it yes, made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids? All right, this is very important. You want to leave it at no, not made for kids. All right, or depending on what your channel is all about anyway, you can still leave it as yes, not made for kids. So you go on the advanced, make sure these default settings are all enabled. Allow shout reactions. All right, make sure they are all enabled. All right, then you can now click go live after we've checked all the parameters are all okay. All right, so just give it the time. It's going to count 1, 2, 3, load. All right, so this hack, so many people have been using it and nobody has been saying anything about it. So you scroll down there, you click on this, you see the yellow highlight, the yellow circular highlight. You click on it once the live is open. All right, right now you're already live. So you click on it, and then this is what we're talking about: the playables, the games. These are free games. Free games. You don't need to even download them. Just click and you play live. That YouTube has made available for us to get our watch hours. You can get your watch hours with live. There's no strike. There's no. It's counted. It's valid. It's qualified. You can get your watch hours using live. That's why you see the big events. All right, those guys, the big churches or whatever, they all go live, and that's how they make money. So you can get your watch hours easily in. I mean, it depends on how long you stay in live. If you have so much time, you can get your watch hours in a couple of days using this live stream, and you don't even need to talk too much. You don't need to do too much. Just come in here and play these free games. Look at 62 million views. Look at 22 million plays. Look at 48 million plays. It shows people are playing this game, using it to get their watch hours. All right, look at 34 million plays, 25 million plays. Why are so much millions of people? Look at 84 million plays. Why are so much people playing these games? This is it. So now we'll go to the thief puzzle. All right, we're gonna wait for it to, yeah, we're gonna wait for it to load a bit. All right. So you can see you can either mute your mic down here, or the you can use the whatever settings. There are lots of them there. So, or you can hide your video also here. You see, you can mute your mic and hide your video here, and you can also take some parts and put as shots, down here also, which is amazing. All right. So let's click on the start button now. And okay, let's check. You can see you can also ask questions. I'll put a puzzle, a Q&A, and all that. All right, so let's see what the game is all about. So while you are playing this game, you can see your life already. So while you are playing this game, people will keep coming in. All right, because games in this YouTube game is highly recommended. It's being pushed by YouTube to the mainstream. That's to the for you feed. All right, for to the YouTube feed. So people will keep passing by. So you live streaming is always very well pushed. So YouTube knows you're going to struggle, and that's why they create such a easy pathway. All right, I've been playing it, and you can see my analytics. All right, so now the arrow is telling you to drag that box. All right, like take the box. That's why I call it thief, right? So you can see it has won this round. So when you drag the box, so you can see the other arrow pointing. So it's very simple. It's going to the green breaking breakable lines will teach you what to do. So you say drag the hand of the player, right? Of the player, drag the hand all the way to take the bag. All right, and you want to make sure it doesn't touch the lady. So this is just one of the games. Every other game like this is very easy to understand, very easy to play. All right, so let's just play another one, probably the last one. All right, so let's see how it goes. So let's just play another one for clarity's sake. So you can see you click the next button, which is the green circle right there, and you can see this one now. The broken arrow is no longer there because as soon as you've known it, but then you can see what he's thinking in his head, which is the bag of groceries. All right, so you want to click on that bag, which is just beside the ladies down there. So you want to drag your hands just the way it has shown us with those broken green arrows. All right, those are the green lines. All right, so you want to now drag your hands. You see now, you drag your hands all the way to the back and see if you can snatch the bag. So easy things like this, and people will keep coming in, guys. All right, people will keep coming in. All right, so now you can see just like that. The next game, let's try this one last game and see how it goes. All right. So people will keep coming in gradually. So the more time, some people spend 3 hours playing this, 4 hours playing this, and that's how they boom, they get their watch hours in no time. In no time. I mean, this is amazing. You don't even have to create anything. You don't have to shoot anything. You don't have to do anything. Just play the free game in the YouTube app, guys. In the YouTube app, take advantage of this. So you can see we failed this one. So when your hand touches the person, it means you failed it. So guys, this is what some people, I mean, most creators, especially the beginners, have been used to quickly get their 4,000 watch hours, and then you can decide to now do whatever you want to now do. But this is legit. This is approved. There's no strike related to this. You aren't going to get any problems with YouTube playing their own game, which they've given you guys. I mean, they've told you guys this is what you're going to use. You can use this to easily monetize. So the more you're playing this, making it fun, I'm telling you, you're going to start getting people coming, watching your live stream on live, and it is also being recorded in your watch hours, guys. I mean, this is mind blowing. All right, so if you find value with this video, do not hesitate to subscribe. I'm going to give you more tips, more tricks, more fastest method to gain your watch hours on time. All right, it's very important you gain watch hours on time so that you can be settled, and start monitor and apply for the monetization. Start doing what every other person is doing in the app. All right, so you want to stick on this. All right, in case you don't understand it, you want to go replay the video again. And I also have a playlist, all right, of different YouTube monetization ways, strategies to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 subscribers, 8,000 subscribers, and every new YouTube update. We always discuss it on this channel. Every new update to the YouTube app, so the whatever YouTube has put in place for us to either grow or make this or make that. Every changes we are also going to be discussing on this app. All right, so these are the things you want to do in case you don't have time to create some long form videos or some kind of shorts, or you just go on the app. You can be in your workplace, you just go on the app. All right, so and I was also going to tell you guys how to get, in case you're a new beginner and you're not seeing the live stream. For live streaming, you need 50 subscribers at first. All right, you need 50 subscribers, and for you to get the 50 subscribers is easy. Also, go watch how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Right, watch it in my playlist. Right, it's easy. You get it in 5 days. You get 50 subscribers in less than 5 days. 2 days tops with my strategy. You get your 50 subscribers. All right, 50 subscribers, and the plus sign for the live icon will display in your YouTube app, and then you can execute this format I've told you to get from 50 subscribers, and you can get all the way to 1,000, and also get your 4,000 watch hour. All right, I'll see you in the next one.